Hello my friends, and welcome back to another unboxing with your best friend Scott. So today we're checking out this power hub. This is a 5-port USB 3.0 data and fast charging hub. Up to 5 gigabytes of speed independent switches, super speed, LED light, works with Linux, Mac OS, Windows 2000, XP, Windows 7, 10, Vista, and probably more, but that's just what they have listed. So let's go ahead. You get a little manual. Nice, cute little hub here. Check this out, guys. So you have a quick charger on here, and then you have the other ones that are USB ports. Looks like it just takes a DC. Very nice looking. I love that little chrome mirror piece. It's pretty awesome. Yeah, so let's see what they supply us with. All right, they give you the power supply and also USB hub. Now this is to connect to your computer. If you're using this without plugging into your computer, you don't actually need this part. So this would be plugged in here, and then you plug this into your computer, and then everything here would read on your computer. So anything you plug in here would be recognized by your computer, so you can access thumb drives, hard drives, whatever you plug in here. If you're not using this for a computer, you actually don't need this cable, and all you need is the power supply cable. You're still going to want the power supply cable even if you're using the USB with your computer. So let's go ahead and set this up, show you guys how it looks. Guys, so for us, we're going to be using this on our editing desk, not our computer. So for quick charging batteries and other stuff, all we do is place a USB in here, and you just press the button. It's going to light up blue now. So can you guys see that blue light? That means it's on. Press it again, that means it's off. So when we turn it on, it goes ahead and charges our batteries. And you have all these different ports. Now again, you can also use this for your computer and recognize, everything on your computer. Or you can use it for a charging station for, whatever you're doing. So it's got multiple uses, and I actually like it. It's going to work great for us.